Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to put apps on desktop on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Simply what you have to do is hit the Windows key or select the Start button. Now in the section of the All Applications, select Grid. Now I'll be able to see all of the applications that are installed on my PC. For instance, if I want to make a shortcut of this application, I will simply drag and drop to my desktop. As you can see, the icon has been created. Moreover, if you also want to add additional icons, simply you have to right click in any empty space, select Personalize and click on Themes, and then select Desktop Icon Settings. Here you'll be able to see multiple options, like you can also add Recycle Bin icon, Control Panel icon, User Files and Network. Simply select the icon you want to add, click on Apply and click on OK. So that's simply how you can put apps on desktop on Windows. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.